my basic question is, how did Honeymead come into existence? Because इतने सारे brand थे. You could have come up with a beer brand.
We had plans to actually make beer at home, but again, it was not to. First and foremost, धंधा was never a part of the plan.
Okay.
It was घर पे बनाने का दुलाली खुला था. हाँ तो मोहम्मदवाड़ी में जाके कोरिंथियन में बैठ के सब लोग दारू पीते हैं. हर तीसरे पॉइंट के बाद सब लोग बोलते हैं मैं भी बियर बनाएगा. तो we went through all those phases.
Okay.
And फिर बाद में one in-flight magazine somewhere in Europe. Inspired.
So थोड़ा सा this thing becomes a little relevant. नितिन उस टाइम McKinsey में काम करता. Okay. Not a subtle flex. In the story becomes relevant.
McKinsey तो नाम तो बड़ा है.
नाम तो सुना. Rahul.
Oh, McKinsey.
And Nitin के few years before that he had gotten married. शादी में someone had given him a homebrew kit, beer homebrew kit.
Okay.
बड़ी माँ.
हाँ.
Oh.
So उसने कभी खोला नहीं था, but we kept saying कि एक दिन मिलेंगे ना तो साथ में बनाएंगे. कभी हुआ नहीं. आज तक नहीं हुआ.
वो finally फेंक दिया उसको.
हाँ. And then McKinsey for work he was flying from one European country to another, and in-flight Lufthansa के in-flight magazine में he read about London's first meadery in the last 500 years.
Okay.
And उसने मुझे WhatsApp पे कुछ फोटो भेजे. This is 2014.
WhatsApp पे नहीं था. BlackBerry Messenger.
मेरे पास BlackBerry नहीं था ना.
अच्छा हाँ.
तूने शायद ईमेल किया होगा मुझे.
ईमेल तो
किया. That old. And we were like, this is damn cool because mead के बारे में पढ़ा है. Like Lord of the Rings में पढ़ा है, Game of Thrones में पढ़ा है, Harry Potter में पढ़ा है, right? If you read any Marvel comics or even the movies now, they talk about meads.
Meads, yeah.
So we read about this and we thought that this was a drink lost to time. And to find out that कोई बना रहा है, we were like, oh, history meets mystery. Oldest alcohol known to mankind, and nobody knows anything about it. So our first thing was try कर रहा है यार. So couldn't find it anywhere. Wine shops को phone किया, distributors को phone किया. Like we were so like try करना ही है. मिला ही नहीं इंडिया में. And so we like, you know what? खुद बनाएंगे. But now for legal reasons we like to disclaimer कि ये सब जो बनाया घर पे वो इधर नहीं, वो
US में बनाया. दोनों ने फ्लाइट पकड़ा, US गए. US में बैठ के बनाया.
हाँ.
देखे पहले वाले पॉडकास्ट में
लोकेशन पेंसिल्वेनिया के पास.
So yeah, because
P for Pennsylvania.
Home brewing is not legal in the country. Don't correct or ask me how to do it.
Right. But then like making it must be a difficult process. कि यार पहली बार बना रहे. I don't know how.
COVID के टाइम पे.
How did that happen?
COVID के टाइम पे we put a self-help guide.
हाँ.
सब दारू ढूंढ रहे थे. So we put a self-help guide. A lot of people made mead, not in India. They made it in US only, Pennsylvania way. And therefore, the process is not very hard. So when we read about it, Rohan went on to Reddit, checked it out, and he said, "Chalo, we'll go to a supermarket, popular supermarket, and bought honey from there. And distillery के 20 लीटर के जार में पहला बैच शुरू."
Okay. So making it is not tough. Making it consistently, repeatedly is tough.
And making it taste good.
Making it taste good is tough. So the first batch इतना अच्छा नहीं था. काफी खराब था मेरे ओपिनियन में. मैं तो अपने नए हॉबी को गिव अप करने के लिए तैयार था.
Right.
इसने बोला कि अरे और एक बैच ट्राई करते हैं. मार्केट में शहतूत मिल रहा है.
हाँ.
तो मैं बोला चलो ठीक है. तो मलबरीज डाले. Second batch was better. उसके बाद स्ट्रॉबेरीज डाले. Third batch was better. ठीक है. I was like okay fine. You know, not a bad hobby. And around this time I was also not in Pune. मैं गुजरात में था. तो
you were never in Pune.
Oh sorry हाँ. US में sorry. Pennsylvania. हाँ. तो पेंसिल्वेनिया के बगल में कौन सा शहर है? न्यूयॉर्क. चलो मैं न्यूयॉर्क में था. ठीक है. एक्चुअली उधर उल्टा है. हाँ. बिकॉज मैं गुजरात.
बोल दे. आने दे.
Beep. So finally moved back home नानी के घर पे, and my friend group was a board gamers. All of them wanted to play Dungeons and Dragons, and what goes really well with Dungeons and Dragons meads because medieval वाला.
Correct. हाँ.
तो उनको सस्ती नहीं, उनको फ्री दारू मिल रही थी, तो वो खुश थे. तो हमें
टेस्ट ऑडियंस भी रेडी था.
हाँ.
फीडबैक फॉर्म के साथ होता था गेम.
अरे बेस्ट.
But till such time was all how do we make the hobby better? We were just collecting it as a hobby. And एक दिन some of our friends started to say कि can we buy some bottles? उस दिन दिमाग में बत्ती चली. Like हाँ, like ठीक है. Then few weeks later they came back and said, can we buy some more bottles?
Okay.
Oh, like because अगर खराब था ना, as a friend you
कोई नहीं मांगता है.
हाँ, you'll support my hobby one time.
Correct.
But if my hobby sucks, you're not going to support it multiple times.
Correct.
So we were like, there is something, थोड़ा सा business viability है. फिर McKinsey Excel sheets.
McKinsey came in.
So Excel sheets bane. Can we do something? And all the market research, all the groundwork, all the understanding the laws, he did.
Right. But just before you proceed, when you were giving the sheets to rate them, what was it that got the highest points? Like the alcohol content, tick, the high, tick, or the taste? Because
Taste
some
only.
things are that because why I'm asking this is a lot of our audiences are going to test are going to do this thing, and
Yeah.
because I think these are right initial stages. When you like go all bang in the market, you have your test groups and
So, Very interesting question. Whenever you do a market test, don't get into the product attributes. The product attributes तुम्हारा खुद का होना चाहिए. Basically, you go in and only ask, did you like it? Yes, no. Will you buy it? Yes, no.
Okay.
How much will you pay for it? 3 options.
Correct.
I mean, I find the gold standard for product feedback again is from our good friends in Dulali. Did you like it? Yes, no. Okay, that's it. उसके ज़्यादा मानना नहीं है.
Did you have a good time today?
Yeah.
They have like a
Correct.
green smiley face, a yellow medium face, a red
red
front
wala.
face.
And it is, by the way, on point because I think anything इसके ऊपर तुम intellectualize करते हो.
Correct.
So what we would do is internally we would keep tailoring the product. We know कि क्या बनाया हमने. Feedback form वही छोएगा.
बराबर
So then they will do the comparison and they'll say अच्छा था नहीं था.
है.
Back end you go and say अच्छा ये liquid के लिए ये
Correct.
feedback था, ये liquid के लिए ये feedback था. So that information database was largely being collected for multiple reasons. एक था कि भाई globally अगर आप meads को देखोगे,
बराबर.
fermented honey based beverages, it's a very small market. And ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा public only makes it in mom and pop shops, very small
Right.
boutique setups.
Right.
Everything is in the like a wine. It's all 10%, 12%. India में wine has not had that acceptance, at least not yet.
Correct.
अभी बढ़ रहा है, but it's still slow. I think what we realized very quickly is that will not be the format that will work.
बराबर.
So we have to find an alternative format. And the alternative format was either you reduce the alcohol percentage a lot, you reduce it a little, you carbonate it, you don't make it honey forward, you make it fruit forward, which is
Right.
where we added
Correct.
apples and pineapples into it.
Hmm.
If we do those kind of things, because then consumer is happy to touch. Because honey by itself is not very sexy.
Okay.
But honey based beverages can be made sexy with a fruit or a spice.